This video fixes Mortal Kombat X PC crashing, black screen, low FPS, and lag issues. Mortal Kombat X on PC is still broken for many players. Crashes on startup, black screen, low FPS, and stuttering. In this video, I'll show you the most important working fixes to make Mortal Kombat X run properly on PC. Let's start. If Mortal Kombat X crashes on startup or doesn't launch, run the game as administrator. Next, close all background applications, including VPNs, MSI Afterburner, and performance overlays. These programs often cause instant crashes. If the game gets stuck on a black screen or freezes at the main menu, the configuration file is corrupted. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata% \MK10. Delete the file called options.ini. Restart the game. If the game crashes during matches or loading screens, lower the graphics settings. Set shadows to low. Turn anti-aliasing off. Set texture quality to medium. Also, switch the display mode to windowed or borderless. Finally, update your GPU drivers for NVIDIA or AMD. If the game runs slow even on a decent PC, open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. Right-click MK10.exe. Set priority to high. Now turn off VSync in the game settings. This improves FPS and reduces input lag.
Scorpion. Sub-Zero. For the Lin Kuei. For the Shirai Ryu. To the death. Round 1. Fight.
These fixes solve most Mortal Kombat X PC issues. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment your problem below. Thanks for watching.